Okay, so say I was given cosine negative 4 over 5, and theta is in between 270 and 180, and I want to find sine of theta over 2 and tan of theta over 2. So first off, I'm going to say sine of theta over 2 is square root 1, that's the one that's my plus, cosine of theta all over 2. Well, coolly enough, I already know my cosine of theta. So this is just going to be square root of 1 plus negative 4 over 5 all over 2. So 5 over 5, I should get 1/5 over 2, which should give me 1/10. So I should have that. Sine, don't forget this is theta, and I'm looking for sine of theta over 2, so let's real quick write out what theta over 2 would be. Theta over 2, 270 divided by 2 should be 135. 180 divided by 2 should be 90. So in between 90 and 135 is in quadrant 2. Sine in quadrant 2, my y is still positive. So I'm looking really at this part right here. My y is positive there. So, okay, this is going to be a positive 1 over square root of 10. And I should probably simplify it since I'm looking for a final answer. So square root of 10 over 10. Okay. Tan is sine over cosine. So I'm going to have square root of 10 over 10 divided by something. So I need to find my cosine. So cosine of theta over 2 would equal, that's the one that's the minus, so 1 minus cosine of theta all over 2. Cosine is the one that's the plus. Damn it. Okay, sine is the one that's the minus, cosine is the one that is the plus. So this is going to go the other way. So I'm going to have something divided by square root of 10 over 10, and I'm actually still looking to find my sine. Cosine would still be negative in this part, so this is going to be a negative square root of 10 over 10. So this is just for my cosine. We're going to find my sine now. Sine is the one that, right, so if I fix this back again, sine is the one that's minus, cosine is the one that's plus. I always get those two confused. Don't get them confused. Again, we already know our cosine. We were lucky enough to get it, so we're going to get 1. Minus a negative would be plus 4 over 5 over 2. So 5 over 5 plus 4 would be 9 over 5 over 2. Flip my 2 over 1 and multiply. 9 over 10, all under square root. So 3 over 10. Sine we already talked about being positive. So again, I can rationalize. So 3 square roots of 10 over 10. So we have 3 square roots of 10 over 10 divided by negative square root of 10 over 10. So 3 square roots of 10 over 10 times 10 over the square root of 10. Square roots cancel, 10s cancel. I'm just left with negative 3. Okay, so that is how you can find your sine, cosine, and tangent half angles.